Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about some cool tricks to make guys really interested in you. Whether you're starting something new with someone or just want to get noticed, these tips will grab your attention. Let's get into it. Do you want guys to be totally into you? Well, we've got some sneaky psychology tricks that will do just that. Whether you're starting a new relationship or trying to get someone's attention, these techniques will definitely make them sit up and take notice. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make men obsessed with you. Technique number 1 is about being mysterious. Instead of telling everything about yourself right away, keep some things secret. When you do this, it makes him curious to know more about you. Imagine you're like a puzzle he wants to solve. By keeping him guessing, you make yourself more interesting and intriguing to him. So, don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Let him uncover the mystery of who you are slowly, and he'll be hooked, wanting to know more. It's like a fun game that keeps both of you interested and excited about each other. So, remember, a little mystery can go a long way in making him obsessed with you. Technique number 2 is called mirroring. It's like copying someone, but in a subtle way. When you mirror a guy, you try to match how he moves, talks, and acts. It's not about copying everything exactly, but more about being in sync with him without him even noticing. This mirroring thing helps create a secret bond between you two. It's like your brains are saying, "Hey, we're alike," without actually saying it out loud. Imagine you're talking to him, and he leans in a bit. You might do the same without even realizing it. Or if he laughs, you might laugh too, almost at the same time. These little things make him feel comfortable around you, like you two are on the same wavelength. So, next time you're with him, pay attention to how he moves and talks, and try to mirror it a bit. It's a sneaky way to make him feel closer to you without saying a word. Technique number 3 is about giving compliments and praise when he does something you like. If he does something nice, like bringing you coffee or listening to you when you talk, tell him he's doing a great job. This makes him feel good and want to keep doing those things to get more of your attention. It's like saying "good job" to a puppy when it learns a new trick. When you show appreciation for what he does, he's more likely to do it again because it makes him happy to see you happy. So, don't forget to say nice things when he deserves it. Technique number 4 is about making special moments together that make him feel happy. When you do fun things or share important experiences with him, it creates strong feelings. These feelings stick with him even when you're not around. So, doing things like going on adventures, trying new activities, or simply having deep conversations can make him think about you a lot, even after you've said goodbye. It's like planting little seeds of joy in his mind that keep growing, reminding him of the good times you've shared. So, if you want him to keep thinking about you, focus on creating these happy memories together. Technique number 5 is called the scarcity principle. It's like when you have your favorite candy, and you don't get it all the time. So, when you finally do get it, it feels extra special. Similarly, making yourself scarce means not always being around. It might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it actually makes him want to spend more time with you. Think of it this way, if you're always available whenever he wants, it's like the candy is always there on the shelf. But when you're not always around, it's like the candy disappears sometimes, and he starts to miss it. That feeling of missing you makes him value the time you do spend together even more. So, it's about finding a balance. Don't ignore him completely, but don't be at his beck and call either. Take some time for yourself, hang out with friends, pursue your hobbies, basically, live your life fully. When you do this, he'll see that you have a lot going on and that you're not just waiting around for him. And that, strangely enough, makes him want to be around you even more. It's like adding a little mystery and excitement to the relationship. Technique number 6 is all about gentle touch. When you touch someone in a nice and right way, it can make them feel attracted to you and make your bond stronger. It's like when you lightly touch someone's arm or give them a playful tap, it can make them remember you for a long time. Imagine you're talking to someone you like, and you gently touch their arm while laughing at a joke they made. That simple touch can send a signal to their brain that you're interested and create a connection between you two. It's like a small spark that ignites a fire of attraction. But remember, it's important to be careful and respectful when touching someone. Make sure it's appropriate for the situation and that the other person is comfortable with it. Nobody likes to feel uncomfortable or pressured, so always pay attention to their response and body language. So, next time you're with someone you're interested in, don't be afraid to add a subtle touch to your interaction. Whether it's a light pat on the back or a friendly squeeze of the hand, it can make a big difference in how they perceive you and deepen the bond between you two. Just remember to keep it gentle, appropriate, and always respect the other person's boundaries. Technique number 7 is all about being confident. When you feel good about yourself and show it, it's like a magnet pulling someone closer to you. When you act sure of yourself, it makes him think you're even more attractive. So, remember to stand tall, be proud of who you are, and believe in your own value. Confidence shines through and makes you irresistible. So, go ahead, embrace your inner confidence, and watch how it makes him see you in a whole new light. Technique number 8 is super important. Keep doing your own thing. That means having hobbies, dreams, and stuff you love outside of your relationship. Why? Well, it keeps things interesting. When you're all about your own passions, it shows him that you're not just waiting around for him. You're a whole package, with your own life going on. Plus, it makes you more intriguing. Think about it, if you're always together, talking about the same things, it can get a bit boring, right? But when you have your own stuff going on, there's always something new to talk about. It's like adding a sprinkle of excitement to your relationship. And here's why it's important, it shows him how awesome you are. When you're passionate about your hobbies or goals, it's like showing off your best self. He'll see you as this amazing, dynamic person worth chasing after. Plus, it's healthy for you too. Having your own interests and goals keeps you happy and fulfilled, even when you're not with him. So, go ahead, pursue those dreams, dive into those hobbies, and show him just how amazing you truly are. So, now you know 8 sneaky tricks to make guys really into you. But hey, remember to use them the right way, okay? We want real connections, not just mind games. If you liked what you heard, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your pals, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. See you soon, and good luck with all the attracting stuff. Take care.